Capybara, capybara.
Imagine a giant guinea pig the size of a grown human. It swims, it chills, and it even lets other animals sit on its back.
Capybara.
Meet the capybara, the world's largest rodent and possibly the chillest animal on Earth. Why are they so calm? How do they survive in the wild? And would they actually make good pets? Let's dive in. You're watching Smartness to Go. Chapter 1. What is a capybara? Capybaras look like a strange mix between a hog and a beaver, but in reality, they're oversized relatives of guinea pigs. These semi-aquatic mammals can weigh up to 90 kilograms, about the size of an average adult human. Despite their size, capybaras are completely harmless. In fact, they're so mellow that other animals often use them as living chairs. Birds perch on them, monkeys ride them, and capybaras don't seem to mind at all. Chapter 2. Where they live. Capybaras are native to South America. You'll find them along rivers, lakes, and wetlands, especially near the Amazon. But they're not exclusive to the jungle. In places like Florida, a small invasive population has managed to settle in, turning suburban lawns into all-you-can-eat buffets. Chapter 3. Social life. Unlike many rodents, capybaras are extremely social. They live in herds of 10 to 40 individuals. Each herd usually has one dominant male, several subordinate males, multiple females, and plenty of offspring. The subordinate males have an important job, acting as lookouts. If danger approaches, they bark loudly to warn the group. Maybe that's one reason capybaras are so relaxed. Chapter 4. Predators and friends. Of course, life isn't entirely stress-free. Capybaras have to watch out for jaguars, caimans, and giant snakes like anacondas. Young capybaras are especially vulnerable and can be preyed upon by ocelots or harpy eagles. But here's the interesting twist. While they avoid predators, they actually befriend other animals. Chapter 5. Eating habits. Now, you might assume that such a large rodent would need meat to survive. But no. Capybaras are strict vegetarians. They graze on grasses, aquatic plants, and sometimes fruit. And here's the weird part. They also eat their own dung. Gross? Yes. Efficient? Absolutely. Their feces still contain protein from microbes that help digest their food. By eating it a second time, capybaras get nutrients they missed the first round. It's nature's version of recycling, and it helps them handle the 3 kilograms of plants they eat every single day. Chapter 6. Capybaras as pets? Some people are tempted to keep capybaras as pets. After all, they're gentle, friendly, and basically lawnmowers with fur. But here's the catch. Capybaras need water, space, and most importantly, company. They're herd animals. Even if you had a swimming pool and acres of grass, 1 or 2 capybaras alone won't thrive. They need a full posse. And nothing is sadder than an unhappy capybara. So if you're considering one as a pet, do yourself and the capybara a favor. Get a guinea pig instead. Same family, just a lot easier to handle. Capybaras are the world's largest rodents, but also some of the most relaxed creatures on the planet. They teach us that life's better with friends, that staying calm keeps you safe, and yes, that recycling comes in many unusual forms. So the next time you see a photo of a monkey riding a capybara's back, remember, that's just another day in the life of the chillest rodent on Earth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this gave you a new perspective. For more Smartness to Go, don't miss this next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.